I wouldn't just go get my license and crawl in a truck and think I'm a driver. There's so many of them out here that are in the party mode, and truck driving's not a party job.
The first thing about trucking, man, is safety. It never be in a rush. Always be aware. Safety. That's the number one trucking thing. Get your rest. Eat proper.
Don't expect to be home much. You know what I mean? That's the number one thing. It's like you're going to the military. You know, it's the same thing.
You better do your research. Make sure you know what you're getting into, because anybody can tell you out here it's really not all sunshine and rainbows. There's bad days, there's hard days, there's great days. But and whatever you do, make sure the good outweigh the bad.
It's a great life. Do know on the practical side of being a woman, you won't always have your pretty things the way that you want them. You won't always be able to get your hair done. You might have to end up looking like this.